Myself Rajpriya Kaur. You are watching News Movement English. Welcome to this channel. Let's have a look on these updates. India's tally of COVID-19 infection rose by 39,097 in a day to reach 3,13,32,159, while 546 more people succumbed to the viral disease during the same period, taking the death toll of 4,20,016 on Saturday, according to the Union Health Ministry data. The number of active cases in the country has increased to 4,08,977, accounting for 1.34% of the total caseload, while the national COVID-19 recovery rate stood at 97.35%. The data update at 8 a.m. showed an increase of 3,464 cases was recorded in the active COVID-19 caseload in a day. Novel coronavirus COVID-19. Prevention is better than cure. Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Always cover your mouth and nose while sneezing. Wash your hand regularly. Wear mask. Use sanitizer. Avoid social gathering. Avoid contact with others. Don't touch your eyes and mouth frequently. Issued in public interest. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Call toll-free number 1800-258-7060. Former Mayor of Asansol Municipal Corporation cum BJP leader Jitendra Tiwari, after writing a letter to the Education Minister of the central and state government regarding the demand of Urdu College in Asansol, has now written a letter to the Urdu-speaking MP of various states. Jitendra Tiwari, Abdul Khalik, MP from Assam, Badruddin Ajmal, MP from Assam, Chaudhry Mehboob Ali Qureshi, MP from Bihar, Dr. Mohammad Javed. Motion Open Scholarship Test for Class 7 to 12th student. Get up to 50% scholarship for season 2021 to 22. Motion Durgapur Center. You can contact the number 943482278. In order to increase the production of coal of setting up a new project in Chinkudi Group's Chinkudi 3 number colliery in Sodhpur area of ECL, notice to vacate 40 to 50 houses that have been illegally occupied there for years have been posted on the houses by the management, due to which there was been a stir among the residents. 12th Foundation of News Movement will be celebrated on 1st August 2021 in the premises of District Library, Asansol. There will be a recitation in Bengali, English, Hindi, Ghazal in Urdu, quiz for all, drama, songs, dance. Usually it is used to celebrate Foundation Day in the name of Movement Ustav. But due to the pandemic situation, it will be symbolic Movement Ustav. 12. Please follow COVID guidelines. For more details, contact 9563830285, 8617659448, 7501064378, and another number is 7872104695. State government will not tolerate any kind of loot and natural resources. On Thursday, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee announced a new sand mining policy in the state with a strong message. He said, "The complaints have been coming for a long time, but despite our efforts, we could not do anything against the mafia." Chief Minister said that. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Work on Friday morning admitted Tumpa Bauri, daughter of a pathetic Bauri of Andal village, from her home to Khandra Health Center, seeing the pregnant Tumpa Bauri roaming the Andal bent. Andal video reported her to voluntary organization in Andal to find out about her. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. Officers with a red blue light vehicle are being found across the state. Due to this, the state government has issued new guidelines. This shows that only 14 office bearers will get this facility. Earlier in this, after the question of the High Court in this regard on Monday, a notification of 2014 was again sent to the police by the transport department, and it was told who can use red light or blue red light in the car. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Distribution of mark sheet in school has started from Friday after the result of the high school examination were released on Thursday. Out of 256 candidates in Acharya Yajeshwar Institute, 136 candidates did not get any mark sheet. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. A demonstration was held on behalf of the Bangla side in front of Hindi Bhavan in Usagram, demanding a Bangla Bhavan. Addressing the protester, Akshay Banerjee of Bangla Paksha said that Asansol has Hindi Bhavan and Urdu Bhavan. There is no bungalow building for Bengalis in the Bangar. It's a matter of the great scheme. Bengalis are not getting respect in Asansol. He said that the corporation was asked many times for the bungalow building in Asansol, but Hindi and Urdu building were constructed on behalf of the corporation. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Bani Block Domhani Kelazora Girls School today. The result of the higher secondary examination are bad. They come to the school today to submit their application to the school and say that we have passed our 11th class examination as per the rules, but the result should be higher secondary, but good girls for fail in our school. Gone. Manoj Sarma did not report.
এক মিনিট।
দমহানি কেলেজোড়া গার্লস হাই স্কুলে আমরা ছাত্রী। আমরা উচ্চ মাধ্যমিক এক্সাম দেওয়ার পরেও আমাদের রেজাল্ট খারাপ এসেছে। আমরা প্রজেক্ট জমা দিয়েছি। আমরা 11-এর রেজাল্ট আর মাধ্যমিকের রেজাল্ট জুড়ে আমাদের নাম্বার বসানো হয়েছে, কিন্তু তাও আমরা ফেল করেছি। যারা কিছু জানে না তাদেরকে ফার্স্ট ডিভিশনের রেজাল্ট এসছে। আমরা পরীক্ষা দিব, আমাদের পরীক্ষা হবে।
কতগুলো মেয়ে ফেল করেছে
এখনো অবধি মেয়ে ফেল করেছে 100টা মেয়ে ফেল করেছে, 86টা মেয়ে পাস করেছে। বয়েজ স্কুলের ছেলেরা প্রজেক্ট জমা দেয়নি, পরীক্ষা দেয়নি, কিছু দেয়নি, তাদের ফার্স্ট ডিভিশনের রেজাল্ট এসছে। আমরা সমস্ত কিছু করেছি কিন্তু আমাদের ফেলের রেজাল্ট এসছে।
এখন ম্যাডাম কি বলছে?
ম্যাডাম বলছেন, ম্যাডাম আমরা কিছু জানি না, বোর্ডের কোশ্চেন। ম্যাডাম তো নাম্বারটা পাঠিয়েছেন, ম্যাডাম বোর্ড কি করে নাম্বার পেয়েছে?
আজকে তোমরা কি জন্য এসেছো এখানে?
আমরা এসেছি আমাদের অ্যাপ্লিকেশন দেওয়ার জন্য। ম্যাম বলেছেন অ্যাপ্লিকেশন জমা দাও। অ্যাপ্লিকেশন জমা দেওয়ার পরে যে যে সাবজেক্টে ফেল করেছে তার জন্য 100 টাকা করে টাকা লাগবে আর এক্সাম হবে আমাদের। আমরা কি জন্য টাকা দেবো? আমরা টিউশন করেছি, বই কিনেছি, খাতা কিনেছি, পুরো গোটা বছর পড়েছি। কিসের জন্য? অ্যাডমিট বানানোর জন্য 500 টাকা দিয়েছি। কি জন্য পয়সা আমরা দিয়েছি?
এখন ম্যাডামের সঙ্গে কথা হলো?
ম্যাডামের সাথে কথা হয়েছে, ম্যাডাম বলছে আমার কিছু করার নেই, অ্যাপ্লিকেশন জমা দাও, বোর্ড থেকে যা বলবে তাই হবে।
নাম কি তোমার?
রানু খাতুন।
এটা
সবাই বলবে কেন? চল আমি সামনে দাঁড়াচ্ছি।
Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Raniganj, the state government inaugurated the construction work of Biodiversity ECO Park in Mana area on the banks of Damodar River under the Ballabpur Gram Panchayat of Raniganj block at the cost of 1 crore rupees. On this occasion, former councillor of Vishwanath Bauri, Raniganj video Abhik Banerjee, joint video A Karmakar, Raniganj Panchayat Samiti Chairman Vinod Nonia were present. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. It is the state of unemployment in the country. The sad picture of this rising unemployment has been seen in NRS Medical College and Hospital. Actually, an advertisement was given for the job of DOM in the hospital. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Asansol on Saturday, a seminar was organized by the State West Bengal Trinamool Secondary Teacher Association in Dayanand Vidyalaya regarding the arrangement of upper primary, secondary and higher secondary in the situation of corona crisis and the ceremony of honoring the newly elected MLAs. Now I am presenting SMS of News Movement. Sometimes you have to stay silent because no word can explain what is going on in your mind and your heart. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notifications.